Education is about nurturing young minds in a way that appreciates a child's talent and pays attention to his or her unique learning requirement. A child that just enters a school is brimming with energy, and it is up to the school to hone them and help them blossom to their full potential. At My Apple School, our focus is on helping a child learn about life as it is by giving them a very protected and joyous environment. Started in 2007, My Apple School is a premier preschool that has a sharp focus on delivering quality education to young students. Our child-centric curriculum emphasizes on making learning fun so that children fall in love with education.
My Apple is a school with 4 walls and tomorrow inside. Our vision is to make sure that learning is a joyful experience for each child. While selecting teachers, we do not only look at the educational qualifications, but also their inquisitiveness and curiosity to make learning a joyful experience.
At My Apple School, education is to provide a playful and healthy environment wherein the child's potential is realized naturally.
When we started My Apple School, our aim was not to get ahead of others, but to get ahead of ourselves, to outstrip the yesterday by today, and to do our work better every day. Our constant endeavor at My Apple School is to develop the joy of learning in children.
What I like about My Apple School is the environment there is very kids friendly. It's very playful ambience. The teachers there are very helpful and very full of positive energy.
My Apple School is committed to offering children a lively environment where they get to nurture their skills and get a chance to exude their natural joyfulness and brilliance. There's no pressure on the children to perform, and teachers are trained to nurture each child as per his or her capability.
I love My Apple School. I love my teacher.
My Apple School is a fast-growing enterprise promising great benefits for individuals opting for its franchisee. We do complete hand-holding for our franchisee partners and help them in starting the school, hiring and training of the staff, and infrastructure development. We offer curriculum and kits and help them in training the teachers. We also help in strategizing marketing plans to ensure a good number of admissions.
I am very happy to be a part of My Apple School management. Today My Apple School supported us to start my own preschool, and we are proud to be a part of My Apple School. They guided us at each and every step. Now today my school is highly reputed in our area. I especially want to thank Kirat sir and Stuti ma'am for their whole kindness and support they have given to us.
My Apple School is designed to provide a vibrant and inspiring atmosphere that helps to bring out the best in a child. Here, children live a joyful life and learn to face the future with a big smile.